Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gemini Exchange, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Gemini Exchange, first, visit the official Gemini website. Click on Get Started to create your account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and click Create Account. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. Next, provide your personal information as required. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to complete a KYC process by submitting identification documents. Gemini may ask for a government-issued ID and a selfie for verification. Once your identity is confirmed, you can set up two-factor authentication for added security. Now, log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the funding section to deposit funds. Select your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer or wire transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. After funds are available in your account, go to the Buy section to start trading. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the order details. When you're ready, click Buy Now to execute your purchase. You can view your portfolio in the Accounts section to track your investments. To sell a cryptocurrency, head back to the Sell section. Select the asset you want to sell and enter the amount. Review the order details and click Sell Now to complete the transaction. For advanced trading features, explore the Gemini Active Trader platform. This offers more tools and options for experienced traders. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the trading fees associated with each transaction. Always keep your account information private and monitor your security settings regularly. For additional assistance, visit the Help Center on the Gemini website. This completes your complete guide on how to use Gemini Exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.